Hey, it's Lindsay with Felt Flower Design. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this green stem. It adds a lot of great texture and depth to any of your designs and is very versatile. Sometimes when I'm making a box, I'll make these and kind of bend it and droop it down over the box to kind of give some additional texture outside of the arrangement. But they're super easy to make, so I was going to show you how to do that today. What you'll need is a glue gun, floral wire. I recommend using wire that's covered in cloth or floral tape. Hot glue does not stick to just regular wire very well, so when it's covered in the cloth or the floral tape, it gives the glue something to adhere to. So this is a piece of floral wire that's covered. I use these little alligator clips. Again, all this, the clips and the wire you can buy. I actually bought all this on Amazon. Oops. And then you're going to need 5 different leaves. So, I don't know where that clip went. I just chucked it. That's okay. What we're going to do is we're going to start from the top and work our way down. So when it comes to glue, less is more. So I'm going to put just a little bit of glue right here. In fact, that's more than I need. I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to pinch it. Let it dry for a second. Okay. So we've got our leaf on the top. That's this guy. Now what we're going to do is put just a little bit of glue on each of these leaves, close it, and then I'm going to clip it so that it dries. You don't have to have the clips. You can hold it. I just am not patient. It makes it go a little bit faster. I'm going to do that to the remaining 4 leaves. And I checked the clip for this guy, so we'll just steal this one. Okay. It dries really fast. So now that I have my 4 leaves and this guy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to add glue. This is the side that I glued together. I'm going to add glue right here. And then I'm going to take it and add it to my floral wire and kind of sandwich it like that. Okay. So again, you don't need a ton. Less is more. And then I'm going down about 1 inch from the bottom of this leaf to where about I'm gluing it, okay? Now, so we've got the one. Now what you're gonna do, just wanna make sure that dries, is I'm gonna put glue in the same place again, but I'm going to sandwich it. No, I wanna make sure I do it the right way. I want all my leaves. Do you see my leaf was open this way, but my leaves opened that way? So I want to sandwich it against the wire, against the same spot where I just put that other one. Oh, you know what? Sorry. I'm going to add glue right here so that I don't put my leaves backwards. So I've added glue. And now I'm going to sandwich that and hold it. You'll see there's some glue that came out here on the top. That's okay. You can just come in and cut it. If you have a lot of glue like that, it means you're using too much glue. You can cut it out and you won't see it. Then you're going to do that again down below. So a little bit of glue. Less is more. Putting it down about 1 inch. You can put it up closer or further if you want. I would experiment with it. It's going to give you a different finished look depending upon how close and how far apart you put the leaves. Add a little bit more glue. Put this guy on. And I got more glue everywhere. It's just what I do. It's okay. I haven't made these in a while. but the more you make them, the better you'll get. Just cutting the glue out. And there you go. Easy as that. Try it out. Leave me questions, comments. Tag Felt Flower Design in your finished product. Let me see how you guys are using these. Thanks.